Yeah.
When you know they get my time, is this someone else? You did to me calling you. Every she just to waste my time. Cause you don't become someone else. If I ever found you, you let the person about you. It's just good to love somebody, somebody loves you back. But if it's one-sided now, if it's one-sided now, you don't have to pretend about it, cause it's crystal clear now. Guess it's right to the good times. I'll be born by the sunrise. I'll be better on my own. I'll be better on my own. Nah. Nobody should call my phone. Nobody should call my phone. Nah. This is my last espresso. This is my last espresso. Nah. I will go down on my own. I'll be good down on my own. Nah.
I love it so much. Superstar.
Ayra ari hari haruguru Divi. Hari haruguru. Ahana haba dance. Divi, can you take video with that Ayla?
I was dancing there. Sorry, I'm sweating enough.
This is dancing Rwanda called the Divine.
Divine Awara, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
What is your name?
Huh?
What is your name?
Ara.
Ala.
Ara. ADA.
Wow, nice to meet you.
Yes, video.
Wow, I'm so excited to be with dancer Ayla. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Hi, Lisa. Oh my God, Lisa.
Oh my God. I'm so stunned.
Hi, babe. How are you?
Good.
Yeah, let's just act like we've been friends. Let's just act like we've been friends for years. Hey, girl, how you been?
Hi.
Like,
I'm good. What's
what
up?
have you been up to?
Basically, life just being life. Yeah.
You in school?
Yeah.
What's
But
school?
opening soon. So I was from Kenya, so I moved to the UK. So yeah, I'm starting school on September 5th.
You're from Kenya?
Yeah.
I'm going to Kenya. I'm back. I'm going to Kenya very soon.
Oh, okay. Would you come to the UK? I might be able to come and see you.
Oh, when next are you going to Kenya?
Not sure.
Not sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Well, lovely to meet you, Lisa.
Could you please tell me when you'd come to the UK? So
Okay, I don't know yet when I'm coming, but I'm gonna post it. So if you're following me, you're going to see it.
Oh my God, I follow you every single time you post. I usually tag you in my stories and hope to the blue moon that one day you'll just reply to my DMs.
Lisa, you're making me blush.
I have tagged